Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out on some wonderful items. I just want to bring to you some awesome items that have been uploaded on my eBay store. Now, if you're not familiar with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom, then I don't know what else to tell you. Well, I have some awesome honeys that are herbal, that will boost your body up, that's great for the libido, that's great for the testosterone, that's great to strengthen your stamina in men, okay? Change the mood in females, all right? And also do so many wonderful things. Also, increase the sperm count. These things do so much. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these awesome, wonderful herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play, all right? This is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it, okay? You're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel, okay? So like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store, all right? So until the next time, you guys, have fun, okay? And I will see you in the next video.